owner of Formula Euro, and welcome to our channel. This channel is gonna be a little bit of mixture of everything. We'll do walkarounds on how to service vehicles. What we do is we specialize in German stuff, so we'll show you on how to work on, you know, Beamers, Porsches, and all the, you know, Mercedes, all the other stuff that nobody else wants to work on. Our parking lot is full of them. Anyways, I will be doing an in-depth review of our Porsche off-road vehicle. Just give y'all a quick walk around, but I will give you guys an in-depth build on that one. And also the channel is going to consist of us going off-roading in our Porsche. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe and hit the like button.